Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to activate custom thumbnails on YouTube and upload a custom thumbnail to a YouTube video. Now the first thing you need to do is go to www.youtube.com and log into your YouTube channel account. Once you've done that, you want to scroll down to the top right here and click your icon and go to the YouTube Studio. Once you're on the YouTube Studio, on the left hand side here you want to go all the way down and you want to click the settings icon. Once you're in settings, you want to click channel, and once you're in channel you want to select feature eligibility. So currently you can see the default features is enabled. However, to allow custom thumbnails you want to activate this section here. And you have to do that by doing phone verification. So you need a mobile number. So you want to select this and verify your phone number. This will open up a new page. You'll want to select your country. So my country is Ireland. And then you'll want to do either call or text. I prefer text verification. So click this. And you'll want to put in your mobile number. So I've already copied my mobile number, pasted it in there, and click submit. Now on your mobile device you will get an SMS text message. Okay guys, I've just received mine. I'm going to enter it now. Once that's done, click submit. And there we have it. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Now what you want to do is click continue. And it will give you a list of the things you can enable, and you want to make sure that the custom thumbnails is enabled. And as you can see, my custom thumbnails are enabled. Return to your YouTube Studio. And then you want to go to videos. Select the video you want to upload a thumbnail for. I'm going to select this one. Oops, you want to click details. And then for thumbnails, you want to click and drag a thumbnail into the thumbnail area. And there we go, I've selected this thumbnail. And then at the top right here, you'll want to press save. And there we go, we've added our thumbnail. Alright guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you on the next video.